Hello everyone, again welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering with Somik. In this video, I am going to share with you a very important news. Recently NBCC India Limited announced vacancy for different posts. So if you are from civil engineering and electrical engineering background, so here is a very good scope for you to work with NBCC. So NBCC India Limited is a Government of India enterprise and it is a Navaratna based company. There are various posts available in this notice, but in this video I am going to discuss only on two posts. One is management trainee civil and the second is project manager civil. So for management trainee civil, the minimum essential qualification is degree in civil engineering with minimum 60% aggregate marks, and the maximum age limit is 29 years. Number of vacancy they mention, which is 40. Out of 40, for unreserved 17 seats available, for SC 6, for ST 3, for OBC 10 and for EWS category 4 seats are available for this post. So basically no experience is required to apply for this post. For project manager civil, number of vacancy is only one and the educational qualification required is degree in civil engineering with at least 60% marks. But this post is not for freshers. At least 6-year experience in the construction field required to apply for this post. Online application process will start from 9th of December 2021 and the closing date of online registration on 8th of January 2022 up to 5 p.m. And few scanned documents will be required during online apply. Those documents with respective size they also mention clearly for your necessary information. So by downloading the notification, you can also know about all of this, that what will be the size of the various documents. For management trainee civil post, GATE 2021 scorecard is must and scan copy also need to be uploaded during form fill up. For management trainee civil post, you need to pay a non-refundable amount of rupees 500 and no payment is required to apply for the post of project manager civil. For project manager civil post, the selection criteria will be by of personal interview. Decision of NBCC will be final in this regard. For management trainee civil post, during appointment, trainee need to submit a security bond of amounting rupees 1,50,000 for at least 3 years. So post wise mode of selection they clearly mention here. So if you are working in government, semi-government organization or public sector undertaking, so you need to apply through proper channel or furnish no objection certificate at the time of interview. And finally, shortlisted candidates will be intimated through email only and no other mode of communication will be followed. So these are the things you need to know before apply for this post. So thank you. We'll see you later with another new video. Take care and goodbye.